The White House COVID response team talked today about President Biden's new goal of getting 70% of Americans at least partially vaccinated by July 4th. The president outlined his goal yesterday. In order to get there, the government is going to have to change how and where people go to get their shots. CBS's Skylar Henry reports.
Now we're going to have to bring the vaccine to people who are less eager.
President Biden admits that vaccine hesitancy is the biggest stumbling block to achieving his goal of 160 million fully vaccinated Americans by the 4th of July. The administration is offering walk-in appointments at local pharmacies and expanding pop-up clinics to make it easier to get a shot.
We have vaccine available to 90% of the population within 5 miles of where they live. But we need to actually do more than that because some people can't get to 5 miles.
And they'll be offering incentives for people to get vaccinated as well.
Sports leagues like NASCAR, NFL, MLB, Major League Soccer are also joining the effort by offering ticket giveaways, in-stadium vaccination programs, and discounts on merchandise.
In addition to changing where people get vaccinated, the administration is also revising how it allocates vaccines to the states. 25 states are not currently ordering all of the vaccine doses available to them because of lower demand, and Arkansas didn't order any new doses last week. Now the government will be shifting those unused doses to places with more demand.
Although we are seeing progress in terms of decreased cases, hospitalizations, and deaths, variants are a wild card that could reverse this progress we have made and could set us back.
The CDC is warning of a possible surge in cases due to the new coronavirus strains, especially in areas with lower vaccination rates. Skylar Henry, CBS News, the White House.